ice cream. Hi y'all, welcome back to OppServe. It's Juliana. A few days ago, I posted this story and immediately I got a lot of replies from you guys saying that can I drop the recipe. So I decided to do it today. Probably the healthiest ice cream ever. No added sugar, fat, and no calories. Perfect for cookies and cream lovers. Are you curious how I made it? Let's see. Ice cream, ice cream. Woo! All we're gonna need is just these. Very simple. A pack of Oreo, 2 bananas, and some milk, but this is optional. So honestly, what is necessary for you guys is just these two. So first, we're gonna slide the bananas into pieces. So I saw somebody make some ice cream with just bananas and peanut butter, and I was like, what? So I tried it myself and it actually works. But then personally, I don't like peanut butter. So I changed the recipe a little bit. Oh, by the way, for the bananas,
I could be there for you. What do I got to say?
They're gonna give you a very earthy taste, which is not ideal for making ice cream. Another one.
I can tell you going through the phases. I can tell you covering your bases. I can tell you losing your patience. You thought I would feel the same and you hate it. Had the conversation with your friends, playing like a movie, all the things I should have said.
Well, please excuse the mess in here. Apparently I got a lot of food and too much food. While bananas are being tossed, we're gonna open this Oreo, take them out, put it in the because all we're gonna do is to take the fillings out.
For some attention,
Easily take it out. And then we're gonna put this Oreo biscuits back.
got to say, what do I got to say?
Put it back. Save one. Put it aside. So we have this pack of Oreos, right? So we're gonna break them.
What do I got to do? I'll do. Either way, I could be there for you.
I guess you guys can't see. Anyway, so after a few hours, your bananas should look something like this. They turn into solid and it's kind of like ice cream. Go back into the jar. Remember, we have this tiny bit of milk, right? Just very little, like a sip. And then we're gonna add some.
Sober though, rolling up in that holy smoke. Only take a little of you feeling like I overload. If you're not feeling nothing, lying, you Pinocchio. Had it to a science as usual, going overdose. What we doing, there's no need.
Now you have this, a very creamy texture. When we were mixing it generated quite a lot of heat, so now it's a bit melt. Now it's time to put them in. Do not mix them with the mixer because they're gonna melt together and then give you like a chocolate color thing, which I don't think we want that. So now put them into the container. Look at this. So if you want like a more solid texture, you can put that into the freezer again for like half an hour. Now it's all done. Remember, like we saved 1 cookie, so that's for decoration. Alright, let's look at it. The healthiest cookies and cream ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna try it. The best part of it is you don't feel like you're eating bananas. It seriously just tastes like real ice cream.